Micro and small businesses, particularly owned by women and youth, have a chance to secure funding ranging from 100,000 shillings to 10 million shillings to support the recovery of their businesses from the effect of COVID-19 induced shocks. The 25 million US fund by MasterCard Foundation and Financial Sector Deepening Uganda partnership is expected to ease the liquidity challenges of micro and small enterprises that are struggling to cope with the adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
50% of the MSEs surveyed reported that suppliers are no longer providing stock on credit. 53% of MSEs, as a follow-on reaction, discontinued sales on credit to their customers. So what were their coping mechanisms? 50% of MSEs surveyed took credit after the pandemic. Credit availability, however, reduced because of the cautiousness in this climate, and the ticket size of borrowing has gone down to about 700,000 shillings for micro and small businesses. 40% of the MSEs that borrowed still have outstanding balances and are looking at working capital loans to support the recovery of their business.
For long, micro and small businesses have been relegated to the periphery, something the government is aware of and steadily looking to change.
When we call them micro enterprises, maybe we are sanitizing them a lot. These are vulnerable, working poor groups of people. If people have access to finance at good terms which they can afford, and also people have education, they will always sort out themselves. They will find means to prosper. And government is very committed to this.
To qualify as a beneficiary of the fund, businesses should be registered and the owner must be willing to acquire additional business management skills. The funds will be dispersed mainly through microfinance supervised institutions and will attract a modest interest rate that has not been specified yet, even though the government position is that it should not exceed 10% per annum. Ismail Musa, Ladu, NTV Business.